What are we outside? Is a new outside. 'Cause see the future in your eyes. No. No. What happened? No. I turned. I'm now. Now I'm like Golden Freddy, but with another ear. I'm going to take off my ear to be like Golden Freddy, so I can remember him. Golden Freddy. What's happening? That's part of my powers. They destroy me when I'm dying. I'm dying because I'm getting older, not because I use my powers. I'm getting older every minute. Also, I was made in the 90s. I'm supposed to die now. I don't know what's gonna be left of me, but if there is something left of me, if something's left of me, put it somewhere so you can remember me. Okay. While I'm dying. Toy Freddy, you are now in the past. Also, your pizza places now abandoned. What? Yes, it's now abandoned. No goodbye. Have a happy life. I'm going up to heaven or hell. I'm just joking. I'm going to hell. It's good to be in hell. I'm gonna shut up now. No, his head. His head's left. I guess I'll put in the sign. Like in Fredbear's Family Diner that now's closed. no, I dropped it. Just gotta throw it in there and throw. Watch. I said I keep throwing it in the ground. How do I keep doing that? No, just throw. Freak up there. No. And I want to you. Yeah. Now I'm going to take a bath. I'm now dirty. Going to take a bath. Oh, I just gotta get in the water. Where is it? Hello? Where'd I go? But I have disappeared. Water killed me. The end. The end. Don't look, don't look.